If you're looking for an affordable electric dirt bike that delivers solid performance without breaking the bank, the RIXOC GT9 might be worth a look. After checking out its specs and real-world rider feedback, there are definitely some things to like. The GT19 comes with a 3000 WR peak motor, a top speed of around 39 miles per hour, and a 52V 31.2 Ah battery that claims up to 62 miles of range. It also features hydraulic disc brakes, full suspension, and 19-inch off-road tires, making it capable on both trails and rough terrain. What impressed me most is the value. For a bike in this price range, you're getting performance that feels surprisingly close to more expensive electric dirt bikes. Riders have also praised the strong acceleration and comfortable suspension setup. That said, I'd take the advertised range with a grain of salt. Like most electric bikes, real-world range can drop significantly when riding aggressively, climbing hills, or tackling tougher trails. That's a common complaint among electric dirt bike owners in general. So, is the RIXOC GT19 worth your money? If you want a budget-friendly electric dirt bike with good speed, solid features, and decent off-road capability, I'd say yes. Just keep realistic expectations about range and long-term support.